Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Chet. You might have heard of Canva and may even use it already to create logos, social media posts, or blog banners. But this easy-to-use graphic design tool can do so much more than you might know. For both business and personal use, let's take a look at some awesome things you can create with Canva in an instant. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post one of these educational videos. Thank you. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. Book covers. If you're an author doing low-content books, then creating a book cover for your book is simple with Canva. To get started, select the Canva layout from many free options available. From cookbooks to romance novels, you are sure to find one that fits your needs. Click the layout you want and then select the text element to add your own details. If you like the layout but prefer a different image, you can simply add your own. Also, I do have some tutorials on how to create paperback and ebook covers. Please check them out. Event invitations. For weddings, birthday parties, charity events, and more, Canva offers terrific invitation options. Just like with the book covers, select the layout and then click the elements to adjust the text and images. You can change the font styles, size, color, and formatting for anything that you design. You can even adjust the letter spacing, the line height, alignment, and transparency. Another nice feature of Canva that comes in handy with invitations is the sharing options. You can post it right on Twitter or Facebook, or grab a link to it to share on your social networks of choice. YouTube channel art. Do you have your own YouTube channel? Then you can make it stand out with awesome art. Check out layouts for music, beauty, nature, food, gaming, and many others. Every element on the design can be changed, rearranged, or removed. This gives you complete flexibility to create the artwork you want. When you finish, just download the design as a JPEG, PNG, or PDF file. It's that easy. Shop covers and icons. If you sell your goods on marketplaces such as Etsy, draw some attention to your shop with a cool cover or icon. Canva offers both of these for selling products like gifts, accessories, clothing, and fragrances. What's great about using Canva for these designs is that they are already sized for you, so just change the wording and images as needed and you're set. Business cards. Many applications can handle business cards creations, including Microsoft Word and Adobe Photoshop. However, Canva can also help you create a new business card. From casual to elegant, you can pick from a large variety of business card layouts. If you send your cards via email or post them on social media, the link feature is ideal. Just select the design element, click the link button from the top navigation, type or paste your URL into the box, and hit apply. Infographic resumes. If you're in an industry where an infographic resume would benefit you, take a look at Canva's offerings. The layouts are clean, professional, and help highlight your skills, experience, and accomplishments in numerous ways. For example, you can choose a resume layout that shows off your skills using a 1 to 5 scale, or you can pick one that has a set spot for awards you have received. And remember, if you like a layout but not the placement of the elements, just click to rearrange them. You can select entire blocks of elements to move or use the ungroup button from the top to separate what's inside. If you ever make a change that you don't like, just hit that undo button on the top left navigation. Gift certificates. Maybe your business sells gift certificates. You can design them for holidays, seasons, or all year round. For dining, drinks, or other types of gifts, there is a large collection of layouts. You don't have to just use the gift certificate layouts for that. You can also create coupons to hand out to your customers. If you're offering a discount on your services, Canva gives you a great way to advertise it. Another feature that's convenient for gift certificates is that you can order prints directly from Canva. Just pick your print format, choose your print options, and begin your order. You will see the pricing right up front, which is awesome. Yearbook covers. If you're in charge of your school's yearbook cover, then you're in luck. You can simply choose a layout and update the cover of your school, or go all out and pay for a complete theme. This is a nice option that includes a table of contents, photo spots, and an autograph page at the end. Note that some yearbook cover layouts may not be free, but this is easy to see when you hover your mouse over the pages of the theme, because a $sign will appear on those you'll have to pay. CD covers. For musicians, the perfect album cover is essential, and Canva's layout for all music types. Pick from genres like symphonies, metal, lullabies, or country. The sharing options could come in handy for getting your fellow band members' opinions on it. Click the share button from the top, add the email addresses, and then select either can edit, Or Canva. This is a wonderful way to collaborate with others on the design. Restaurant menus. Do you need a little help designing a menu for your shop, coffee, or restaurant? Then look no further because Canva has great menu choices. From decadent desserts to tasty ales, designing your menu is easy since you can edit or delete each element, group or ungroup them, and rotate or resize the boxes. You have full flexibility. And note that if you have a longer menu, you can click the Add a New Page button to keep on creating. And here are more. Planners and journals. I have a lot of tutorials on how to create these types of printables. Please check them out. Social media posts and videos. You can also do mood boards, invoices, posters, and so much more. Canva is one of the best design apps to use when you're on a budget. As you can see, Canva offers much more than design for logos, social media posts, and banners. And the best part is that you don't need any kind of design experience. The tool is so simple to use that you can create professional looking designs in an instant. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share this on social media as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!